culture media. So now we discuss about the bacterial count. So the bacterial count is the bacterial count. There are two types of bacterial count methods. One is the total count method, and second one is the viable count method. Viable count method. So total count method, viable count method. So what is the total count method? What is the viable count method? How to identify the total count and viable count method? So what is our last curve? Last topic, growth curve. In the growth curve, take the graph between time versus log count. Take the graph between time versus time versus log growth. Time versus growth curve. So in here we are identify the one line. We are identify the one line is there. So that's one is like this one is identified. In counting methods, we are identify the two lines in a one graph. Two lines in a one graph. So in this total, how many phases in the growth curve? Four phases. Total four phases. So in here it is called as a lag pace, log pace, stationary phase, stationary phase, and decline phase, and a decline phase. So in the log phase, lag phase, stationary phase, decline phase, these phases are the growth. What is the what how to grow the microorganisms in the culture media? In the different phases. So in this based upon the growth curve, we are count the microorganisms. We are count the microorganisms, and bacterial count is depends upon the growth curve. The growth curve take again is the time versus and log growth. It gives the four phases: lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, decline phase. So depends upon these four phases, we are identify the total count and viable count, and total count and viable count determined by the lag, log, stationary, decline phases. So in here, first we discuss about the total count method. So this line is known as a total count, and the dotted line indicates the viable count. Viable count. The dotted line indicates the viable count. A straight line is the total count. So in here, total count. First we discuss about the total count. Total count. So, what is the total count? What is the importance of the total count? How to determine the bacteria, or how to determine the bacteria are presented in the particular culture media? So, in here we are detected by the different methods. One is the total count method. So, by using of the total count method, is identify total number of bacteria. The total count is identify the total number of bacteria, presented in a culture medium, and the next one in culture medium, some are the living organisms also presented, and non-living cells also presented. Living cells and non-living cells also presented in the culture medium. In the total count method, determine the living organisms and non-living organisms, both are counted by total count method. In here, the lag phase, log phase, stationary phase, the up to stationary phase, there is no chance for the killing of the bacteria. So total number of bacteria is presented, but in the decline phase, compulsory the bacteria is going to die. Here that condition, this the line is not get down. This line is a continuous passing from the growth curve, passing from the growth curve. That's why there is no chance for the decreasing of the number of cells. So that's why the total count method identify the living organisms and non-living organisms also. That is the importance of the total count method. And the next one, and it is usually determined by the direct count method, direct counting, the counting chamber under the microscope and counting in the electronic count. So it one is the easy direct count methods. It is also known as a direct count method, and it directly identify the counting the chamber under microscope. It is the direct count by the direct counting under microscope of the particular total count method. And the next one, counting state smear prepared from a noun volume of culture. And this the total count method, it is determine the counting stained smears, counting stained smears, counting stained smears, and prepared from a noun volume, a particular volume, noun volume, particular volume of culture. So it is a determine the counting stained smears prepared from a noun volume of culture. How much of quantity is there? So depends upon the noun volume, we detect the total count method. And the next one, by measuring the turbidity in a spectrophotometer, measurement of the measurement of turbidity, by using of in a spectrophotometer, spectrophotometer. The spectrophotometer is a detect the turbidity, how much of solid substances are presented in the given liquid medium is detected by the spectrophotometer. That the spectrophotometer is a detect the turbidity in a total count method. So this is about total count method. The total count method is detected under microscope, either electronic microscope or normal microscope, is easily detected, and easily direct counting by the visually. And in here, living organisms, non-living organisms, both are counting under total count method. So this is about total count method. And the next one, viable count method. Viable count method. So what is the viable count method? What is the importance of the viable count method? And the next one, how to determine the viable count method? This is the number of living cells present in the specific specimen and culture of the capable multiplication grow rise in a new cells. It means simple word, it is only determine the it is only determine the living cells only. But total count method determine the both cells, living cells and non-living cells, both are determined by the total count method. But viable count method only determine the living cells in a particular culture medium, or particular specimen. And the next one, and it is the determine the multiplication and give rise the new cells, multiplication and give rise the new cells, multiplication are occur in the new cells or not, is determined by the viable count method. The viable count method is determined by two methods. The viable count method is determined by two methods. One is the dilution method, one is a dilution method. So in here first viable count method determine the living cells only. That's why the peak level is observed identified in the stationary phase, then going to the decline. Why? Because of in the decline, this dotted indicates the only living organisms, remaining part is the death cells are presented in the particular graph. So this is about viable count method. The viable count method is determined by the two methods. First one is the dilution method. So what is the dilution method? Several dilution of the culture are inoculated in a solid media and viable calculated statistically from the number of tubes of showing growth. So means simple word, in here several dilution of the culture media, several dilutions of culture media. Several dilutions of culture media are inoculated on solid media. Inoculated on solid media. Inoculated on solid media. The viable count calculated statistically from the number of tubes. So the viable count statistically the viable count statistically calculated from the number of tubes from the number of tubes showing growth. So what is the method? For example, we take the culture media in a test tube 1. For example, test tube 1. The test tube 1, how much of quantity? All of you listen carefully. This one is a test tube. The test tube 1 only. The test tube 1, how much of quantity? 10 ml. 10 ml. This one is a pure culture media. Listen, this one is a pure culture media is taken in a test tube 1. So take the 1 ml of sample and transfer it into a test tube 2. Test tube 2. 1 ml plus 9 ml of water. Plus 9 ml of water. Total quantity is also 10 ml. And the next one transferred into 1 ml from here. 1 ml and 1 ml from here. Here also 9 ml of water. 9 ml of water and solid media also. Solid media and liquid media. Solid media, liquid media. Test tube 2, test tube 3 and up to test tube 100. Up to test tube 100, take 1 ml of sample. So here it is only the pure culture media. Take 1 ml of sample, transfer it into a test tube 2. The in test tube 2 it already contains the solid media and liquid media. The in here the culture is developed here. Then transfer the 1 ml here. Then transfer up to 100 test tubes. Transfer the culture media from one by one. Okay, so in this condition, so several dilutions, up to several dilutions is completed, inoculated the solid media, then after added the solid media into the each and every test tube. Each and every test tube. And the next one, this measurement of the viable stationary viable count either depends upon the showing growth. So it is only the growth is complete. The growth is completely growth or not. So how many cells are presented in the particular medium? How many cells are present in the each and every cell? So that one is the dilution method. Here, several dilution of the culture are inoculated in a solid media, and viable count is calculated statistically from the number of tubes showing growth. Statistically means, for example, take the graph between log count and number of test tubes. So for example, in test tube 2, test tube 2 and test tube 3, test tube 4, test tube 5, test tube 6, test tube 7, test tube 8, up to it gives a statistical lines are identified in the how many counts. Is one is for example 1000 cells, 2000 cells, 3000 cells, 4000 cells are there. So each and every test tube how many cells are presented and identify the total number of living organism by the dilution method. This is about dilution method. And the second one method is the plating method or plating method. Plating. So in a plating method, so the dilutions of the culture are inoculated either on the surface of the solid media or a pore plates. The number of colonies are formed in the medium gives a viable count. In means simple dilution of the culture. So after dilution. So after dilution, inoculated either on the surface media. After dilution, the culture media is transferred into the surface of the solid media. Surface of the solid media. Take a one bowl filled into in the bowl filled in the particular solid media like a agar. The next one different nutrients are there. All are presented in the bowl, and then after dilution, the culture media transferred into the surface of the solid media, surface of the solid media, surface of the solid media. In the solid media, it produces the a colonies like structures is identified. A colonies are producers. A colonies are producers. Depends upon the number of colonies, number of colonies, number of colonies. Identify the plating method. Identify the plating method. After in dilution method, dilutions up to 1000 test tubes. Each test tube containing the 1 ml of the sample, 9 ml of water, and the next one. Then after added the solid medium, it gives the number of cells. It is identified by the statistically. Plating method, after dilution, the culture media placed on the surface of the solid media, it produces the colonies. Depends upon the colonies, identify the plating method. This is about total count method, viable count method. Any doubts? Anybody?